If you're looking to streamline your operations and boost your productivity, SuiteDash's calendar feature can make all the difference. In this quick explainer, I'm going to show you how SuiteDash's calendar feature works and why it's a game changer for anyone who needs to manage appointments, tasks, or schedules all in one place. Stick around because I'll also share some other alternatives at the end that might suit your needs even better. First off, SuiteDash's calendar is not just about marking appointments. It integrates seamlessly with your entire system. So if you're managing clients, projects, or even team schedules, everything can be synced in real time. No more switching between apps or tracking down information from different sources. The calendar updates automatically based on your actions across the platform, whether you're booking a meeting, completing a task, or adding a deadline. Next thing, SuiteDash's calendar allows you to create appointments with customizable details. You can set up recurring appointments, link them with specific projects or clients, and even send automated reminders. This helps ensure that your clients and team members never miss an important meeting or deadline. If you're running a busy operation, this feature alone can save you countless hours by eliminating the need for manual follow-ups. The third thing you'll love is the ability to integrate SuiteDash's calendar with Google Calendar. This is perfect for people who like to keep their personal and professional schedules in sync. It's an easy setup and will ensure that no matter where you are, you have a clear view of your commitments without missing anything important. Moving on, SuiteDash's calendar also allows for task management directly through the calendar view. You can assign tasks to specific dates, attach them to projects or clients, and track their progress. This keeps everything in one place. You don't have to jump from project management tools to scheduling apps. It's all streamlined in SuiteDash. Now, there's another great feature, client scheduling. You can allow clients to book time with you directly through your calendar, cutting down on all the back and forth emails about availability. Plus, you can set your own rules for availability, so you never have to worry about overlapping appointments or wasting time with clients who didn't check your schedule. But there are alternatives. For example, tools like Monday.com or Trello also offer calendar integrations, but they often lack the level of customization and simplicity that SuiteDash brings. While those platforms are fantastic for visual project management, they may require extra steps to get your calendar fully integrated, which means more effort on your end. Another alternative is Zoho Projects. It offers a calendar, but the workflow isn't as intuitive as SuiteDash. You'll find that while it has plenty of features, the user experience might feel a little clunkier and harder to navigate, especially if you're looking for something that integrates seamlessly with your other operations. Now, here's where it gets interesting. SuiteDash is a solid contender, but depending on your specific needs, it might not be the absolute best solution. In fact, there are some alternatives that focus on workflow automation and calendar integration in ways that could help you further streamline your operations. I've added these to the list, and I'll be showing you the best alternatives at the end of this video. Before we wrap up, let me tell you about the exclusive and extended free trial I've secured for you through our link. SuiteDash is offering our viewers a unique deal you won't find anywhere else, giving you access to its full range of features for longer than usual. But I also want to make sure you have the right tools for your specific needs. That's why I've included some alternatives that offer a free trial too, perfect for anyone who needs the best solution for streamlining their operations. So don't wait. Check out the link in the description for your exclusive free trial and see for yourself how these tools can help you work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.